Welcome back to Be Eloquent. If you want to learn spoken English, it is important to learn grammar first because correct grammar is the key to speak English fluently and confidently. Today in the series Learn English in 30 Days, we have another grammar lesson. We are going to discuss future perfect tense. We will talk about how to form future perfect tense, forming affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences, as well as future perfect usage. Future perfect tense indicates that an action will have been completed at some point in the future. It also denotes an action which will start and complete at defined point of time in the future. Look at the example. They will have completed their work next week. Another example. The patient will have recovered from illness next month. The construction for the future perfect tense is really simple. Subject plus will along with have and past participle. It doesn't matter if the subject of your sentence is singular or plural. The formula doesn't change. Example: I will have written the article on women empowerment before the conference. To make affirmative sentences in future perfect, the formula will be subject plus will plus have along with past participle. Look at the examples. She will have completed her homework before 8 p.m. He will have studied the grammar rules before the examinations. We will have completed our syllabus before the exams. Tara will have learnt English through YouTube channel before December. They will have resolved the problem by next week. We add not after the auxiliary verb to make the sentence negative. The formula is subject plus will plus not along with have and past participle. Remember that will not is sometimes written as the contraction won't. Examples of negative sentences are: she will not have written an essay because of her busy schedule. I will not have completed the article on migration before the conference. By the time teacher arrives, we will not have finished our assignment. I will not have read newspaper before my father awakes. To make the question, auxiliary verb comes at the start of the sentence and question mark at the end. The formula is will plus subject plus have and past participle along with rest of the sentence followed by question mark. Examples: will you have gone to the market before I come? Will they have reached before I come? Will she have cooked the food? Will they have completed their homework by the evening? Will they have received the letter next week? You can use the following formula to form WH question. Question word plus will plus subject followed by have and past participle along with rest of the sentence followed by a question mark. Examples: where will our friends have gathered by the time we arrive? When will they have completed their work? Why will he have studied whole book before December? What will she have cooked for dinner? The future perfect is used to talk about an action that will finish before a certain time in the future. Look at the example. By 7 o'clock tomorrow, I will have left for my school. This tense is also used to talk about an action that will be completed before another event takes place. Look at the example. She will have learnt English completely before she takes admission in the university. Look at the another example. She will have learnt yoga before she becomes an instructor. Future perfect tense is also used to express a belief that something happened in the near past. Example: my father will have arrived at the home by now. The instructor will have finished his yoga class already. Look at the table to understand future perfect better. Contraction with future perfect tense. In speaking with future perfect tense, we often contract the subject and will. Sometimes we may contract the subject, will, and have all together. Time expressions with future perfect tense. Today we came to know about future perfect tense, in which the speaker believes that an act will have completed or taken place in the future. It gives a sense of completion of an action that will happen in future. I hope you understood the rules. You can subscribe this channel to remain updated about next lecture. If you like the video, do not forget to like and share it. Thank you for watching and looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson.